Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create an account on PayPal. So if you want to start using PayPal, the first thing that you need to do is of course go to paypal.com. Once you are there, we need to use the sign up button. So click the sign up button in the top right corner of the website. Then you will have a choice to create a personal or a business account. In my case, I need to create a personal account, so I'm gonna stick with personal. However, it is pretty similar with the business account. So let's click get started. Then you will see the region where you need to select your current region. And if needed, you can click over here in order to see the list of all countries. And then you can choose the correct region if it's incorrect. And then we can click get started again. After that, you need to provide your email address. And then you need to enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you will receive a message from PayPal where you need to enter the code that you will receive in that message. And if you didn't get the message yet, you can click on Recent Code. Then enter your password, and then fill in your personal info, including your address. After that, you might see this page, which you want to try first, and if you want to, you can go ahead and click one of these two options, or you can click Not Now. If you want to, you can immediately, after creating an account, you can link your card, or you can skip it and click Not Now. And this is pretty much it. You have created your PayPal account. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!